Russia's robot army is coming, and it's sending shockwaves across the world, especially in the United States, as global military powers race to develop advanced autonomous warfare technology. Russia has been aggressively investing in robotic military systems that could redefine the future of combat. From AI-powered battle tanks to autonomous drones and humanoid soldiers, Russia's robotic warfare capabilities are evolving at an alarming pace. One of the most significant advancements is Russia's development of unmanned ground combat vehicles, such as the Ura-9. This heavily armed robotic tank is equipped with machine guns, anti-tank missiles, and automatic cannons, capable of engaging enemies without putting human soldiers at risk. The Ura-9 has already been tested in real battlefield conditions, proving that Russia is serious about integrating AI-driven combat machines into its military strategy. However, despite its firepower, initial tests in Syria revealed challenges in remote operation and AI decision-making, pushing Russia to refine its technology further. Russia is also focusing on aerial dominance with its fleet of AI-powered drones. These drones are designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and even direct combat missions, making them a critical asset on the modern battlefield. Some reports suggest that Russia is working on drone swarms, groups of autonomous drones that can communicate and strategize without human intervention, making them incredibly difficult to counter. These swarms could overwhelm enemy defenses, making traditional air superiority strategies ineffective. Another shocking development is the creation of humanoid combat robots, such as the FEDO, our final experimental demonstration object research. Originally designed for space missions, FEDO has demonstrated its ability to fire weapons, drive vehicles, and execute tactical maneuvers. The implications of Russia's robotic military advancements are raising alarms in the United States and other NATO countries. The rise of AI-driven warfare presents new challenges, from ethical concerns to the risk of losing control over autonomous combat systems. The Pentagon has already increased funding for AI and robotic warfare research, ensuring that the US does not fall behind in this high-stakes technological arms race. NATO allies are also exploring countermeasures, including AI-driven missile defense systems, EMP technology to disable enemy drones, and enhance cyber warfare tactics to neutralize autonomous threats. As the world watches this technological arms race unfold, one question remains: will Russia's robotic army give it a strategic advantage? Or will it spark an even greater push for AI-driven military power in the West? Are we witnessing the dawn of a new kind of warfare, where human soldiers take a backseat to autonomous machines? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge military technology.